For over 35 years, Lee has built a reputation for quality and innovation. That continues with the Lee TD330 through Dovetail jig. The Lee TD330 is a cost-effective and easy-to-use jig for routing through dovetails with the patented Lee joint fit. Through dovetails are eye-pleasing, extremely strong, and can be used for a wide variety of projects. With the TD330, you can route boards up to 12 and 7/8 inches wide. You can join boards of up to 13/16 of an inch. Even boards of different thicknesses. To ensure you get consistent results and a perfect fit, the TD330 includes matching router bits and the Lee e-bush guide bushing. As an added feature, the TD330 can also be used on a router table. The Lee TD330 through Dovetail jig. Quality and precision at an affordable price. For more information on the Lee TD330 jig, visit leetools.com.
The 366022 has arrived, the latest edition of Delta's 6000 series table saw line. The 6022 features shop-grade power and big saw fence design in a portable package. Plus, it's 2 saws in one, a folding stand portable saw or a box saw. The 15-amp commercial-grade motor with heavy-duty bearings has the power to rip quarter-sawn wood and durability to last for years. The telescoping rail system with T-square fence is super accurate and offers easy one-hand convenience. With a 30-inch right rip and 12-inch left rip capacity, the 6022 offers capacity typically available on saws costing much more. The unique folding design lets you move your saw where the job takes you. The cross handle adds strength and convenience during folding and transportation. The UL-approved 3-way guard system moves up and down with the blade and never interferes with your cuts. The riving knife separates wood after the cut and adjusts easily with a quick-release lever. You'll appreciate the locking bevel height control in one unit for locking in cut angles, and the 2.5-inch dust port makes it easy to attach a shop vacuum. The tubular cage design with extendable outfeed support is strong enough to handle heavy sheet goods, while the coated tabletop lets work pieces slide across the table. 2 inches higher than previous models, the work height will feel even more comfortable for most users.
I was really pleased with the way the saw performed. The ease of setting it up and the accuracy of the T-square fence, it made precise, accurate cuts. And whether you're a professional like myself or a homeowner, you can count on a perfect cut each time.
Compare features, and you'll choose the 366022 with the Delta 5-year warranty that protects your purchase.
Make finish work easy with the Craftsman 18-gauge brad nailer. Oil-free motor for long life and ease of use, and the power to drive up to 2-inch brad nails into engineered lumber. A tool-free jam-clear release mechanism makes it easy to remove jammed nails, while the depth of drive adjustment allows you to set nail heads precisely. Get the job done the right way with the Craftsman 18-gauge brad nailer. Craftsman, we build pride.
The new point-to-point Mark II from Empower Tools allows you to quickly and accurately divide spaces into even segments. The heavy-gauge aluminum body accordion folds opened and closed, while maintaining 7 marking points that create 6 equal spaces. The action is smooth and accurate, and a pair of built-in lock knobs maintain the desired setting. Any dimension up to 28 inches can be quickly and accurately divided. The end of each arm is notched, so each pencil mark becomes an accurate V-point. Spacing pocket screws, dowels, hardware, shelves, and dividers becomes a matter of routine when using the point-to-point Mark II. And it's not just for woodworking. Machinists, tailors, graphic artists, and even bakers, anybody who needs to divide things into equal parts,